Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's start with outlines. Everything starts with a circle, and here's what the outline looks like. And let's draw it, friends. Friends, today I'm not going to talk much, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends who are interested in these type of drawings and who likes THALAPATHY VIJAY. And friends, after watching this video, please consider subscribing if you haven't and press the bell icon so you get a notification for my every videos. Enjoy this video, friends. This is for you. Friends, actually I spent more than 5 hours on the spot and without any gap for this drawing, and it is, I'm so happy to see the results, and I hope you like this video, friends. I'm signing it right now, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, friends, and share this video to your friends, and yeah, ask them to subscribe. Support me by subscribing and sharing and commenting and any of these things. I'll be so happy to see that. And friends, if you are new to this channel, I'll love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. And thank you so much for watching, friends. See you on the next video. Bye.